Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 17 of the 31 Days of Halloween challenge, and I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous bloody clip-on bow tie. I know I said I wanted to do another makeup look, but I don't have time. I am too busy working on stuff for my table. This is part of my table and I wanted to show you. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. You're gonna need 2 pieces of fabric. Both are 8 by 4 inches, a bow tie clip, and some thread. For this part, you're going to grab your pieces and you're going to fold them in the center and overlap them. And then after that, you're going to pin them on each side. Please do this for both. Once that's done, you're going to stitch the edges together. This can be done either hand or by machine. Once you have done that to both pieces, you are going to fold them inside out. And if you need to, you can grab a little pin and poke the ends out. When you are finished with that, put the pieces on top of each other and determine which side you want to stick out more. The envelope openings should be on top of each other so that you don't see them on either side. Once you have figured your front and back piece, take the front piece away and get your back piece. Next, you're going to grab your bow tie clip. Put the clips down for the center so you can start marking where you need to clip the fabric. You'll be needing fabric chalk or a pencil for this. After marking your back piece, you're going to grab some scissors and you're going to clip where you've marked. Make sure when you clip the fabric, you're clipping only the front fabric. Don't clip the envelope opening at the back. After clipping, grab your bow tie clip and slide them in, and then clip them down into place. And then center your clip. Get ready for some hand sewing! Okay, I'm going to try my best to describe what I'm doing from this angle. So center your clip as much as possible, and then sew your needle in through the little holes of the clip. Once you poke the 3 holes, you can use it as a guideline to keep sewing around to make it more secured. Once you have made it secured, secure your thread on the fabric. And do this for the other side. And then you're going to grab your front piece and put your back piece on top of it at the back. For this, pin your corners so the pieces will stay in place. Okay, you're going to pinch the top part of the bow like so, like a mini gather, and then you're going to put your needle in the middle part of it. And then pull your thread through. And then you're going to do the exact same thing to the other side and then put your needle through that. And then you're going to pull and scrunch the fabric, hold it in the middle of the bow tie, and then wrap your needle thread around it. Try to not get it tangled. Check the front to see how it looks. And then secure your thread behind it. I'm using the same fabric for the wraparound in the middle. You can use fabric glue for this, but I'm going to use an all-purpose glue just to keep the fold in place. And finger press. Once that is done, you're going to sew the one piece onto the bow like so. Then you're going to wrap around the tie. You can do it once or you can do it twice. I prefer doing it twice. Fold the end piece and then overlap it at the back of the bow tie. Essentially, you're going to secure it with a teddy bear stitch. And again, once you secure that into place, secure your thread needle. And that is how you make this gorgeous, bloody clip-on bow tie. If you guys like this video on how I made this clip-on bow tie, please give this video a nice like. And if you want to follow me on my other social media accounts, all the links are down below in the description box as well. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to see more content I'll be releasing for the rest of the month of October for the 31 Days of Halloween Challenge. And I would like to say thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Take care. Bye.